Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to just give little bit introduction about Chat GPT. After that, in the upcoming video I will show you how it is useful in our daily life. So let me start the explanation of Chat GPT. What is Chat GPT? So it is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content including articles, social media posts, essay, code and email. It's very simple, like I am the person and there are some other person is sitting beside me. So I have to talk with him and I have to get some answer from him. Any answer how to reach this place, what should be the content for my article, any question, like any conversation that I am talking, I am doing with a person who is seated beside me. So I can do with the chat gpt and I can get the answer with him. So who started this? So it is started by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015, and Microsoft is also one of the investor in this. And the next thing is like, how does chat gpt work? So this is little bit technical thing or data science related thing. So in a normal, who is not related to IT background or software backgrounds, they don't need to understand and know how does it work. They should just use the things, like they just use to get their answer. But still, let me give you little bit intro. ChatGPT works through its generative pre-trained transformer, which uses a specialized algorithm to find pattern within data sequence. So very simple. Like I have given some uh, question like, please write email for me. Uh, like anything, kindly write essay on cow, kindly write essay on anything like environment, anything. Simply if I ask to you, you have your mind, so that when you pick my question, your mind will think about that and will get a result, and then you will speak to me. Same way chat gpt work. I am just explaining without any technical things. Simply I have asked you, you will think something, your mind will, there's some interpretation will happen, your mind, you will think something and you will give the result. So you will give the result that you know. But when I ask to chat gpt, chat gpt has multiple results. So based on the question that I ask, so it will pick my question and it will compare all the result and it will provide a best result to me. So this is how it works. So in the next video I will explain you how I am using and how it can be useful in our daily life. Thank you.